we are going to further next session. So we arrange a kind of core interaction session with international or national researchers. Okay, so let me introduce Mr. Nikhil Kumar, and let me introduce first. So he's a PhD student at Otto Scott Institute of Material Research, Friedrich Schiller University, Jena, Germany. He published two papers and one accepted in MSc. Uh, Currently, he is working on a non-linear optical response of functional materials and doing turbo software code development using embedding theories. He also has experience in Win2K and quantum espresso software, which are the density functional theory. He did a 2 month internship at the Bhabha Atomic Center. During his bachelor's and master, he presented his work through oral and poster presentation at more than uh, 14 national as well as an international conference. So there are so many students in BSc and MSc. He don't know about what is a conference and how to present their work or research work. But Mr. Nikhil he's already presented in 14 national and international conference. So I told that. So there are four students, okay, who interact with you, okay, and just uh, share his experience, okay, with you. And if you have any question, okay, participant, if you have any question, just ask, okay. So Nikhil, please welcome and
Uh,
share your
th-
screen.
uh, Thank you, sir, for your introduction. Uh, uh, I'm going to share my screen. Uh, is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Check. Mm, So, as screen is visible.
Yes, sir. Your screen is visual.
Okay. So, good evening, everyone. First of all, I would like to extend my heartier gratitude to the organizers of this winter school for giving me opportunity to share my story with such bright and ambitious students. It is truly an honor to be here among the young minds eager to learn and grow. So, my name is Nikhil Kumar. I'm currently pursuing my PhD at FSU Jena in Germany. Today, I want to share with you my journey how a boy from a small town in India with no initial interest in research came to Germany to follow his dream in the field of research. I hope my story inspire you to believe in yourself, embrace challenges, and work consistently towards your dreams. Let me take you back to where it all began. I was in the second year of my bachelor's degree when I met Dr. Sanjay Kumar Singh, a professor whose dedication and passion for the research was truly infectious. At that point, I had no interest in the research. I was just a normal student going through the motions of college life without much thinking about my future. But meeting Dr. Sanjay Kumar Singh changed everything. He became not just a mentor, but also a guiding light. His enthusiasm for science, his disciplined work ethics, and his ability to break down the complex problems into simple ideas, it inspired me a lot. Slowly, I started spending more time in the lab with him. Initially, it was just curiosity, but soon it became a passion. So, research, as I came to understand, is not just about experiments or reading articles. It's a way of thinking, actually. It's about questioning the world around you, finding the patterns to uncover the truths that can make a difference. Yeah. Under Dr. Singh's mentorship, I started reading research papers and discussing ideas with him after the college hours, and our lab sessions extended well beyond regular college hours. While others enjoyed their weekends and holidays, I found drawn to the lab. I became a yeah I usually it became a place where I could focus, learn, and grow. I still remember the feeling of restless on holidays because I believed that every moment could be used to learn something new. My mentor's dedication mirrored in mine. And we often spend hours and hours discussing ideas, even on holidays. Yeah. But suddenly, then came the COVID pandemic. While the world came to a standstill, my passion for research only grew in stronger. Right? Even when classes shifted online, students were supposed to study from home. But I took special permission from my college authorities to work in the lab, and so that I can come in lab and I can sit in the physics lab and study. I was the only student there, surrounded by silence. Yet it was the most productive and peaceful environment. Yeah, I could have. Yes. In the evenings, usually I worked as home tutor to support my family financially, um, balancing my personal responsibilities with my academic uh, things. Yeah. As the months turned into years, my consistent efforts began to bear fruit. Actually, I was selected to present my research paper at several prestigious conferences, both nationally and internationally. Yeah, some notable ones like ICTP Italy and Forschungszentrum Zurich in Germany. So, uh, but among all these things, one experience stands out. Yeah, I want to share that experience with you. During the final year of my bachelor's, I was selected to present my work at an international conference in Germany. It was a moment of immense pride for me. Imagine being a youngest participant at a global conference surrounded by PhD scholars and professors from all around the world. It was a rare opportunity, but it came with significant challenges. Yeah, while the organizers covered most of the costs, but they can't provide me like travel allowances, and it was too much for me, and it's beyond my family's means, right? So at that time I felt defeated. So what's the next? It's huge disappointment. Hello, hello.
Yes, yes, Nikhil.
Am,
Yes. Mm.
am I audible?
Continue. Please continue.
Okay, okay, yeah. So at that time, I felt so much like depressed see this thing. It seemed like I would have to let go this one in a lifetime opportunity. But then something amazing happened. My college stepped in despite not having large funds for such activities. My college management, teachers from all the departments came together to finance my travel expenses. Their collective efforts and beliefs in me, they gave me strength to move forward. So I managed to get finance to my flight tickets and to apply for visa. But as it often the case in my life, another hurdle appeared. The visa appointment dates were unavailable until 3 months later, and conference was just 20 days away. The time was slipping away. So, and the dreams, like for me, my dream seemed farther, more, even more far. Like but I refused to give up, determined to find a solution. So I went to the visa office without any appointment, hoping they might understand my situation. Unfortunately, they refused my request. Actually, however, they advised me to email the embassy, uh, though the chances were seems like very less during my so so while returning to my home in the train, I drafted a mail to the embassy, explaining my situation and requesting their help. So what happened next was nothing short of a miracle. Within 4 hours, I received a reply allowing me to submit my application without an appointment. The very same night, I traveled back to Delhi and submitted my application the next morning and received my visa within 10 days. It's really an amazing feeling at that time. Against all odds, I made it to the conference at the end. So, attending that conference was a turning point in my life. I presented my work to an international audience, engaged with leaders of the pioneering research fields, right? And built I built so many connections with other professors and scientists around the world. These connections opened door to me for new opportunities, including my PhD in Germany. Uh, it was an witness of power of persistence, hard work, and the support of the community that believes in you, right? So as I reflect on my journey, I realize there are some important lessons that we all can take away. So the first one is never give up. Challenges and obstacles are a part of life, but they test your determination and patience as well. Yeah, keep pushing forward, no matter how impossible something seems. You should never give up, right? Seek support. Don't afraid to ask for help, whether it's your teacher, your friend, your family member, or anyone. There are people who believe in you and are willing to support you, so always seek for help from your people. Then next, stay focused. Success doesn't come overnight. It's a result of consistent efforts and dedication over time. So stay focused. The next one is be resourceful. When faced with problems, think creatively and explore every possible solution you can do. Yeah, you never know what might work. And the last one, embrace opportunities. Every opportunity, no matter how small it is, yeah, that can lead to something great. Okay, so don't hesitate to take the first step. So, with my closing words, I would like to say that to all the students here today, I want to say the dream big, work hard, and stay consistent. As I always say, always stay consistent. Whether your dream is in science, research, or any other field, remember that the journey may not always be easy, but it will always be worth it. You are capable of achieving success no matter where you started. Okay, I hope my story has inspired you to believe in your dreams and take bold steps towards achieving it. uh, Thank you for listening me. I wish you all the very best in your academic and personal endeavors. Once again, thank you so much. Now if anybody have any questions or want to discuss something, I'm open to discuss. So thank you.